Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by e to the power of s squared for the both sides. So I will put this one go in here. Next, we have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that u s next to y, that is for integrating factor. So the integration of 2s, we have s squared. That means we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have s sine s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So this one in here, we have ye to the power of s squared. Now I will concentrate on this one. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. dv, we have sine s, ds, the integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have du multiplied by v, negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration cosine s ds. The integration of cosine s, we have sine s, and I will put about c. Next, the integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.